Okay, today we're going to change out a pneumatic cylinder here. This one's wore out, so every time we open the door and let go, it just slams on its own, and it's going to break the door, break the glass. So this is an easy fix. We've got 2 pins, one here, one over here. We'll just pop those pins out, put a new cylinder in here. Things will be great, and we'll show you how to do that in just a second. Okay, so what we're going to do is remove these 2 pins. Carefully, just kind of take this first one, pop the second one out, and then we'll just take these pins out. There'll be a little bit of pressure on it, but not a lot. Got that pin out. We'll take this pin out. We can save this, but the new one comes with one, so we'll just keep it just like that. Now we'll put the new one on. So here we have the new cylinder. What we'll do, we'll take our pin, line up our arm here with the holes, and we'll drop our new pin in up here. What you do is you just pull the cylinder out to where you want it. It's got a little bit of tension, but not much. Drop it in there. And then the door should close on its own. Now you'll have to adjust it if it doesn't close quick enough for you, or if it closes too quick. There's an adjustment right here. If you come right over here, you can see there's an adjustment screw. You just take your screwdriver and you can tighten that up a little bit, and it'll make the door close slower. If you loosen it, the door will close quicker. It's just that easy to change it.